Kakadosh Boker Tov. This Sunday, Bezrat Hashem, it's actually really Shabbat, which is Shiva Asar B'Tammuz, and then we postpone until Sunday. And therefore, obviously, there's going to be a very big nafkamina to do with all those women that are which are pregnant, or they're already feeding, or even if a person is sick. So therefore, what happens is it becomes much less stringent in the fact that the Shiva Asar B'Tammuz is postponed, and the same halacha would apply to Tisha B'Av. Now, there was, even though Midivrei Sofrim, which means that from the Gemara Masechet Ta'anit Daf Kavav Amud Bet, it's brought down that a person cannot cut their hair on Shabbat of Shechal Tisha B'Av, which this year, again, there's no Shavua Shechal Bo, right? Because that the second that Tisha B'Av falls on Shabbat, and then it's postponed till Sunday, so therefore there's no Shavua Shechal Bo Tisha B'Av, because Tisha B'Av, the actual week, there's no week. It's really Shabbat, and then it's postponed till Sunday. However, though, there were a lot of minhagim, especially in Morocco and other Kihilot Sfaradim, that they had a minhag of not taking haircuts from Shiva Asar B'Tammuz, right, from the 17th of Tammuz, and especially Chasidim, Me'anshe Ma'aseh. So therefore, as we already mentioned, the Gemara says, Shabbat Shechal Bo Tisha B'Av, right, Asurin L'Saper L'Chabes, you're not allowed to take a haircut and to wash the clothing. That's also the Rambam, right, in Hilchot Ta'aniyot, the Ramban, right, also the same thing, where he says it's like an avelut, that it's prohibited to take haircuts or to take off any other hair also, other than the hair which is stopping your eating, so it's like from the mustache, right, which is stopping it. The Tur also brings it down in the Shulchan Aruch, Siman Tav Kuf Nun Aleph, the same halacha, Shavua Shechal Bo Tisha B'Av, you're not allowed to take haircuts. And that's what the Chazon Ovadia says, that was minhag b'nei Sfarad la'akel like Maran, that it's only Shavua Shechal Bo Tisha B'Av. However, though, the Ramah, he brings down already that there was a minhag to already be machmin on tisporet from Shiva Asar B'Tammuz. And that's what the Ramah brings down in Sif Daled. The Magid Avraham says that you shouldn't do it even for Lichvot Shabbat also as well. So there's many different minhagim. One of them already starts, whether it was from Rav Shmuel Vital, that he says that Rabbeinu Arizal HaKadosh would not take a haircut during the 3 weeks as well. And that was the minhag, right, from already starting from there. The Ben Ish Chai brings down also, that even though Medina it's asur to take haircuts only on Shavua Shechal Bo, yesh noagin la'achmin mishiva asar b'Tammuz, v'ra'ui le'horot la'am ki minhag ha'zekenim shekatav ha'kol bo, shelo li'staper klal lifnei ota Shabbat. Right? That means basically he says that we should especially do like the minhag ha'zekenim that the Kol Bo brings down, that you shouldn't take a haircut before the Shabbat of the Shabbat Chazon, which is the Shabbat before Tisha B'Av, in order sheikanes yom ha'tani kishu menuval. And then he says, however, though here we're not going to come and start rebuking those that are going to be lenient, right, with strongly. So you see here that even in Baghdad there was a lot of people that they had this custom. The Sefer Brit Kiuna brings down the Minhag Pashut in Jerba was like the Ramah. So therefore also the Yehuda Yash brings down the Minhag of Argilia, right? He says also was like to be Mahmin. The Sefer Alei Das of the Tunisians, he comes and brings down that was minhag of Chasidim v'Anshe Ma'aseh, also in Tunisia, not to take haircuts from Shiva Asar B'Tammuz. And that was the minhag also in the Bnei Torah in Yerushalayim, is brought up in Netivei Am. Shulchan Aruch Mekutzar brings down the minhag of the Temanim, also was Shiva Asar B'Tammuz. Rabbi Yosef Mesas brings down the minhag of Morocco, was also from Shiva Asar B'Tammuz, until afterwards came the Tzarfatim, the French, and they started being mekel and only prohibiting from Rosh Chodesh. The Shut Shemesh Umagen, Rabbi Shalom Mesas, brings down minhag, the majority of people also from Rosh Chodesh and onwards, but he says, Rov Chochmei Morocco, they were already machmirim from Shiva Asar B'Tammuz. Right? That's also brought down in the Shut, Vayomer Yitzchak, Rabbi Yitzchak ben Walid, that our minhag is not to take haircuts from Shiva Asar B'Tammuz. He says that which some people are going to be mekelim, he says was they were mekelim also to do with eating of meat, so therefore they had it. However, though, you do see from here that there was a very big minhag not to do haircuts throughout the entire 3 weeks. I will though finish off by saying that I heard from a Rabbi Yasayek Shalita, that there was going to be a difference between shaving and haircuts. Why? So I asked him, what's the difference? If you're going to tell me right now that shaving, right, that you're going to tell me that shaving is permitted, so haircuts should be permitted. If haircuts is prohibited, so shaving also should be prohibited. So he explained to me and he told me as follows. He said, to tell someone not to take a haircut for 3 weeks is very easy. Right? Anyway, usually people take haircuts once a month, So therefore you tell a person, listen, Zechel HaChurban, make sure you take a haircut beforehand, and therefore don't take a haircut during the 3 weeks, 100%. But shaving, the majority of people, they do shaving every single day. So in order for them to come and tell them that they cannot shave during the 3 weeks, it was much more difficult. So therefore there, they weren't gozer. There, they were more lenient, that they would come and they would shave during the 3 weeks until whether it's the 9 days or some people Shavua Shechalbo, whichever one. But however, though the shaving was more lenient than the haircuts. So therefore, again, just to sum it up, that even though Midina de Gemara, right, it was only going to be Shavua Shechalbo Tisha B'Av, which this year we don't actually have Shavua Shechalbo Tisha B'Av. The minhag in the majority of places was to be Mahmid, whether it was from Rosh Chodesh or even to be Mahmid from Shiva Asar B'Tammuz, which is starting from this coming Sunday. However, though, a person should just realize that that's only going to be to do with the haircuts, right? To do with the shaving, they are able to be more lenient, and they could shave, right, even more after this Shiva Asar B'Tammuz.